8480. In physics, which of the following factors are necessary to determine power? A. Force exerted, distance moved, and work. B. Distance moved and time required. C. Force exerted, distance moved, and time required. The correct answer is C. In physics, power is determined by the amount of work done per unit of time. Therefore, the necessary factors to determine power are force exerted, distance moved, and time required. The formula for power is power equals work divided by time, or power equals force multiplied by distance divided by time. This formula shows that power is directly proportional to force and distance, and inversely proportional to time. 8481. What force must be applied to roll a 120-pound barrel up an inclined plane 9 feet long to a height of 3 feet, disregarding friction? A. 40 pounds. B. 120 pounds. C. 360 pounds. The correct answer is A. For an inclined plane without friction, required force equals weight multiplied by height divided by length. Force equals 120 multiplied by 3 divided by 9. Force equals 40 pounds. Therefore, the required force is 40 pounds. 8482. Which statement concerning heat and divided by or temperature is true? A. There is an inverse relationship between temperature and heat. B. Temperature is a measure of the kinetic energy of the molecules of any substance. C. Temperature is a measure of the potential energy of the molecules of any substance. The correct answer is B. Temperature is a measure of the kinetic energy of the molecules of any substance. Temperature measures the average kinetic energy of the particles in a substance, while heat is the transfer of energy between two objects due to a temperature difference. 8483. What is absolute humidity? A. The temperature to which humid air must be cooled at constant pressure to become saturated. B. The actual amount of the water vapor in a mixture of air and water. C. The ratio of the water vapor actually present in the atmosphere to the amount that would be present if the air were saturated at the prevailing temperature and pressure. The correct answer is B. Absolute humidity refers to the actual amount of water vapor present in a mixture of air and water. It is usually expressed in grams of water vapor per cubic meter of air or per kilogram of air. 8484. The temperature to which humid air must be cooled at constant pressure to become saturated is called A. Dewpoint. B. Absolute humidity. C. Relative humidity. The correct answer is A. When the air reaches the temperature at which it can no longer hold all of its moisture, the excess water vapor condenses into liquid water, and this temperature is known as the dew point.